Hey guys, this is Global, and today I'm going to attend the Pug Community Gaming Challenge. Basically, we're supposed to survive in any hard rain map for as long as possible. Basically, what I've pre-done without recording in this video was get all the special ammo here and all of the gas cans over here. I've got myself a katana that's originally all the way up there, or you can find one in one of those thingies. I've got myself a pipe bomb. Since we already get Molotovs over here for the tanks that will come, I've got myself a med kit and an adrenaline shot. What I'm gonna do is just set up some gas cans over here and over there just to make sure that I'm not going to die prematurely. And I'm gonna save the rest for the tanks, the fuck ton of tanks that will come. Let me see. Ammo. Oh yeah, I've also gotten basically all of the main weapons. Ranged, the SCAR for ranged battles, the shotgun for closer encounters, and the grenade launcher for the tank spam. And usually if I get surrounded by everything, I'll just throw this down and yeah. Well, this is my first try for this challenge, so let's see how this goes. Wish me luck, guys. Let's go. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Oh, they're coming from the top already, for fuck's sake. Let's see. Oh, here comes the first. Oh, a little bit of problems, technical problems there. The fuck is that thing? Oh, derp. Way to fucking die. I like when the bots cooperate, because usually they suck balls, but today they're actually doing quite good. So yeah, I'm happy that they're not sucking balls today. Oh crap, this is gonna hurt us. Over here, tankety tank. Oh, you're dead. Nice job. This is where I get my shotgun and rape these guys up the ass. Nice job. That was smooth. That was pretty smooth. I'm doing good. I'm doing better than I expected. I'm doing a lot better than I expected. Shit can hit the fan real bad real soon, but I don't care. I'm doing good. Where's Mr. Tankety Tank coming from? Oh, Rochelle, come on. Don't be a dumbass. No, you're not. Oh, what the fuck? That was bullshit. The Scar is a great weapon. It's great for ammo conservation. It's great for general zombie killing. It's a great weapon. I like it a lot. I like the M16 more though, just for its quick damage dealing. Where's Tankity Tank coming from this time around? Let's see. Where the fuck is it? There we go. Nice and smooth. Ready to die. Whoa, what the fuck? That wasn't expected. Kill it! Hey guys, come on. Oh, derp. Yeah, let's all fuck coach up. Of course. Let's just do that. They always do that. Motherfuckers. Last gas tanks. Now shit hits the fan. Real bad. Holy shit! Holy crap. That wasn't expected. I wasn't counting on that. Would you kindly kill these and get me up for fuck's sake so I can heal up? Oh my god. Seriously, guys? If I die, I'm gonna be so fucking mad. It's gonna be sad if I die. Fuck the bots. My safety comes first. Okay, now it's rapey time. Oh, you fuckwads. Go save him! Where the fuck is that gas tank? Oh, there he is. Oh man, shit's hitting the fan. Real bad. Not gonna last much longer. Ho ho, and I run out of ammo. Oh man, I'm fucked. Hey, what's up? Oh, there we go. 9 minutes! Come on, I've never made it to 9 minutes before. By myself. That was an awesome run. Holy shit. That was incredible. Now it's waiting to die. 9 minutes and 8 seconds. That was amazing. Well, I hope this shit gives me the fucking mouse, because otherwise I'll be fucking mad, or the mouse pad, whatever. It would suck to not win with this time. But, well, let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.